Hello everybody and welcome back. It's Creative Redundancy back again, also known as CR. It's time for another exciting video, another omelet. Yeah. So let's get cracking. Alright, now I'm gonna mix them up. Alright, now in the separate bowl I have oatmeal that's been sitting in milk that has cornmeal inside to soften it up. Then mix it in. Mix this up. You can add seasoning if you want, but I don't need to. Now add it into a hot pan. And let that cook. So here it is, my exciting oatmeal type of omelet. So hit me up on that thumbs up if you enjoy it. So as the world changes, so must oneself. To reach a new level of skill and knowledge, one must practice. A single person can't help everyone in this world, but one person can help someone in this world. And until the next exciting omelet video for me, it's peace out from you know who, the guy that likes to create a lot. Peace out from CR.